Peatlands are a type of wetland with at least 40 centimetres of organic matter that cover approximately 30% of northern latitudes. Water in peatlands is always at or close to the surface, creating cool and wet conditions.
During growth, plants in peatlands take up carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store it in their tissues. Decomposition is slowed in peatlands, limiting the release of carbon from organic matter.
And with higher productivity than decomposition, peat builds up and creates a long-term carbon sink. There are two main types of peatlands, bogs and fens, each classified based on their water source, vegetation, and chemical properties.
Resource extraction creates a variety of disturbances to peatlands across Canada and the world.
Linear disturbances are long and narrow, including things like seismic lines, roads, and pipelines. Larger disturbances include peat extraction for our gardens and oil sands mining.
All of these also cause secondary disturbances, such as flooding and drying, creating changes to plant communities and hydrological processes.
A major consequence of peatland disturbance is changes to the carbon cycle and storage. Disturbed peatlands emit high amounts of carbon dioxide and methane, both potent greenhouse gases.
That's where we come in. The Wetland Soils and Greenhouse Gas Exchange Lab at the University of Waterloo looks at the links between ecology, hydrology, soil development, and carbon biogeochemistry.
By studying both disturbed and restored peatlands, we are helping determine how peatlands function and react to different disturbances over time, and the best way to restore them.
Our members are currently looking at a wide range of topics, from vegetation and nutrients to hydrology and greenhouse gases. By understanding these complex relationships, we can help restore and protect peatlands for the future. Make sure to follow us on our social media links in the description to learn more about our lab and projects.
I'm Maria Strack, and I approve this message.